Correctly identifying a needed replacement part for a heavy truck fleet is one of the most important requirements in making a sale. Today we're going to discuss the key features of Silverback HD wheel kits, plus how to identify the right part number, either by using our website cross-reference tool or by following the easy steps laid out in our catalog. First, let's discuss a few features of Silverback HD wheel kits. Heat is what we're all fighting when it comes to braking performance and longer life. Due to the nature of our ceramic formulation, Silverback HD ceramic friction operates 200 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit lower than the regular semi-metallic friction. This means our brakes run cooler. The higher the heat reached, the lower performance we get from brakes. In contrast, brakes that operate cooler maintain a higher performance longer, which means they stop faster and safer. Another feature of cooler operating ceramic friction, a big feature for fleets, is less friction in drum wear, which means they last longer. Silverback HD ceramic formulated wheel kits use brand new heat-treated steel shoes, plus they are E-coated to reduce corrosion and eliminate rust jacking. These premium features deliver brakes that run cooler, stop faster, and last longer. Plus, the result fleet operators are looking for, the lowest cost per mile. Now, let's see how to look up the right part number on our website. So to start out, visit silverbackhd.com, click Competitive Cross Search, and either type the full or partial competitor part number here, or type the product description here, and find the right Silverback HD part number to help your customer. The competitive cross search function is the easiest way to look up a part. However, if this didn't work, let's grab a tape measure and use the Silverback HD catalog instead. If you don't have a hard copy, you can access it on the website. On the home page, click Catalog on the menu, and then click the button here. Using the index page, go to the wheel kits page location, and then look at the requires 6 simple steps at the beginning of this section. Step 1, A, measure the width of the shoe, and then go to column A in the table to see the choices that match this shoe width. Now, go to the table on the following page, look in column A, and find choices that match this width. Second step, B, measure the drum diameter, or look for this info cast on the outside of the drum. Third step, C, look at the shape of the brake shoe end and compare it to the pictures. Fourth step, D, count the number of webs. If the shoe is still not identified, you can further refine your selection by using specific shoe features to identify other characteristics. This info is listed in column E on the table, or can be seen in the shoe illustrations on the next page to make your final choice. Congratulations! In 5 easy steps, we have identified this as a 4707 series shoe, and you can select the friction that best meets the performance level desired from the 3 numbers listed. Thanks for watching, and please remember, Silverback HD ceramic wheel kits are 100% new, so no cores to handle, plus they run cooler, stop faster, and last longer.